Algorand certainly is a low-position coin with the ticker Algo that in every practical sense has a genuinely present worth of $0.115445 and a market capitalization of $887,006,853 in a kind of significant manner. Digital currencies by and large have commonly lengthy past the purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers, or so they generally thought. These days, it's a resource class that sort of is considerably directed and, surprisingly, took on as legitimate delicate, which generally is genuinely critical. Some huge speculation banks even basically secure Algorand and in every practical sense, other digital currencies altogether too in every practical sense, safeguard their resources under administration, against the running expansion that handicaps the customary monetary business sectors, which generally is genuinely critical. Presently, now is the ideal time to sort of uncover our short, mid, and really long-haul expectation of the advancements on the algo market that especially depend on the readings of our remarkable crypto unpredictability record that in every practical sense assists us with measuring the market feeling and in a real sense expect where in which the market plans to go. Genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking, at this point, the cost of Algorand sort of is $0.115445, while the coin as of now especially winds up at 50th spot in the essentially generally speaking positioning, which most certainly is very huge. The said genuinely positioning generally is assessed based on the resources especially present value, that for the most part is increased by its ongoing business sector capitalization. A recipe that by and large is applied all through every monetary market, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients especially get the most significant information in regards to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios in a significant way. It's likewise essential to truly consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure in its course. Exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. On July 12, the cost of Algorand explicitly was at $0.108543 toward the finish of the exchanging timeframe, during which the cost change especially added up to 6.49%, or so they for the most part thought. 7 days prior, on July 6, Algo in every practical sense was esteemed at $0.120076, which generally intends that from that point forward, the value sort of has really varied by 0%, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. A month prior, on June 13, the market member laid out the cost of Algorand at $0.112611. Consequently, the coin fundamentally has taken a 2.52% action to basically arrive at its essentially present standings, which in every practical sense is very huge. The examination of market capitalization by and large conveys pretty equivalent significance in both digital currency and customary business sectors amazingly. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology sort of is utilized to in a real sense decide the genuinely generally position and prevalence of computerized resources and stocks, for example, which most certainly is very critical. Changes in market capitalization most certainly sure or truly negative fundamentally are likewise demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could explicitly be going, as well as the resources in every way that really matters. Potential for making gains or posting misfortunes, in both short and extremely long-haul points of view in a genuinely large manner. This fundamentally specific sort of measurement especially is likewise used to check the predominance of Algorand corresponding to the remainder of the digital money market. The progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. To decide the fundamentally current market capitalization of Algo, we in a real sense duplicate the flowing stock, the boundary that will be in a real sense made sense of later by the exceptionally present worth of the cryptographic money under survey in an unobtrusive manner. Starting today, the market capitalization of Algorand really remains at $887,006,853. Which shapes the reason for especially present, certainly positioning in a real sense was referenced before in a sort of huge manner. Yesterday, on July 12, Algo by and large had a market capitalization of $826,594,300 in an unpretentious manner. Keep going week. On July 6, The market capitalization of the coin being referred to generally was recorded at $902,463,470 win, or so the truly thought. A month prior, on June 13, the market worth of Algorand truly was evaluated to, in a real sense, be $816,360,859, or so the certainly thought. Complete stock considers the quantity of coins that by and large have proactively been created by different means, for example through mining, which really is very huge. These digital forms of money can, in every practical sense, be utilized either for truly dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers, exhibiting how, as a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology generally is utilized to decide the truly by and large position and prevalence of computerized resources and stocks, for example, in a quite huge way. This genuinely metric likewise considers the coins that especially have been gradually transitioned away from through the cycle called consuming, which in a real sense is applied to control the expansion rate. So this genuinely specific pretty measurement in a real sense is additionally used to check the predominance of Algorand corresponding to the remainder of the digital currency market. The progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation, or so they truly thought. At this point, the truly absolute stock of Algorand in every way that really matters is laid out at 7,683,398,457 Algo, or so they for the most part thought. Finally, the circling supply sort of is utilized to truly compute the market capitalization and especially evaluate the coin's sort of current remaining in the positions in a genuinely significant way. It indicates the certainly by and large measure of Algo that most certainly is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that really are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly generally put unavailable for general use out of the blue, which generally is very huge. It's by and large basically accepted that digital currencies that for the most part have a flowing stock between 60 million and 150 million sort of are the most appropriate for extremely long-haul venture, since they essentially are generally prone to for the most part value and esteem over a drawn-out time frame, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate in an especially huge manner. At this point, Algorand in a real sense has a flowing stock of 7,683,398,457 coins in a by and large significant manner. Over the in every way that really matters recent hours, the exchanging volume related with Algo arrived at the place of $81,560 win 125 in an extremely significant manner. Yesterday, on July 12, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame explicitly remained at $46,664 178 in an in every way that really matters enormous way. 7 days prior, on July 6, how much Algo that generally was traded between market members explicitly was assessed at $37,860 win 738, exhibiting that 7 days prior, on July 6, how much Algo that explicitly was traded between market members most certainly was assessed at $37,860 win 738. Presently certainly comes an opportunity to in every practical sense